Welcome to Moments of Awareness. Today, our moment is our connection to nature. Imagine yourself, if you can, in a serene, natural setting. Or if you have the opportunity, find yourself in a setting out of doors that is natural. Feel the earth beneath you and feel the sun, if you can, on your skin. Maybe there is the sound of birds or the rustling of leaves in the trees. Take a moment and connect with that healing energy of nature. And notice how settling that is as you release and let go with every breath in every moment. Thank you for joining me for Moments of Awareness.